big giveaway. Big, 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 big. Can I say big one more time? Hi guys, welcome back to Maxinescorner. In today's video, I have something wonderful for you, so keep watching this video. Big giveaway, big, 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 big. Can I say big one more time? Wait. Big giveaway. So I got this big giveaway and I'm really excited. I want to welcome all my new subscribers, and for all my old subscribers, I love you. Thank you for tuning in for Maxinescorner, and let's get started right on the giveaway and what it's all about, because I know that's what you're like. Maxine, tell us about the giveaway. Okay, you ready? Let's go then. This is a watch company. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, so this watch company is spelled JORD, but it's actually pronounced JORD. Okay. What I love about this company is that they send you this watch in this beautiful box here. And if you open up the box, under here, it has a little drawer. And actually, you can use this for jewelry because I did. Okay, so you can put your jewelry in here, and you can also put your cleaning kit that it comes with. So with this product that I'm going to show you in 1 second, I just want to show you all the wonderful things that you're going to be getting with this giveaway. So you're going to get your cleaning kit. This is a finishing oil for the watch. Okay, and this is your cleaning kit. Inside of the box is this gorgeous watch. Now this watch is made of wood, I know, and the funny thing is that you think wood, and it's so light, it's elegant, and you can dress it up, you can dress it down wherever you're going. It makes for the perfect gift. We have Valentine's Day coming up for his or her. It's also gonna make for a perfect graduation gift. Just any occasion, this watch would be perfect for. I'm gonna be telling you how you can own this watch. Now, one thing that I love about this watch is that there is no batteries. Do you understand what I mean when I said no batteries? You never have to buy another battery a day in your life for your watch. Quick story. I was going to take an exam, and this was fairly recently, and I was like, okay, I know I'm gonna need a watch for this exam, but I said to myself, I have tons of watches in my closet. No big deal, right? So, okay, the day of the exam, I went to my closet, I pulled out my watches, and I go, boom, I looked at it, guess what? The battery was dead. And I pulled out about 5 watches, and all the batteries were dead. Could you imagine? Comment down below and let me know if this ever happened to you before. Have you gone to your closet or your drawer, pulled out one of your watches, and the battery was dead? That is a complete no-no. I was very, very unhappy in regards to that. So, like I said, what I love about this watch is that it is very lightweight, it is elegant, and you can dress it up, you can dress it down. This company is a Swedish company, and the name JORD actually means soil, earth, and land. I love that. You guys know I love these fancy watches. Doesn't it look so nice on my wrist? Oh, and another thing that I love that they do is, guess what? You get a little measurement, and you get to send them the measurement of your wrist, and they make it just to fit your wrist. Do you know how important sizing for your watch is? Because there's so many times that when we put our watches on and then they're just dangling, I don't like that. So this is one of the things that I absolutely love about this company, that they actually let you measure, send you something via email, and you measure your wrist, and you could just tell them, oh, this is the size, and my wrist is pretty small. So that's important for me as well, to also measure that. So I love that they do that, and that is one of the best thing. And like I said, guys, let me tell you about the giveaway now, because you're like, okay, Maxine, tell me about the giveaway. All right, I'm gonna tell you about the giveaway, okay? And I want everyone to enter this. First of all, it is international. Yes, I said it. It's international. Oh, stop it. Okay. All right. So what does this giveaway entail? Drum roll, please. Okay, the first thing you're gonna get is a $180 gift certificate. You're gonna get free shipping. You're gonna get free sizing. Everyone, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box. And everyone, I want you all to enter. If you do win, please tag me on what? Maxinescorner, because I want to know on Instagram. I want to know who win this certificate, okay? Please, please, please go ahead and enter this giveaway. Everyone can enter. It's open internationally. Go right now. If you think about it, everyone comes out a winner because I do have a $25 coupon code. That is perfect. The coupon code is going to be Maxinescorner. And I'm going to leave it in the description box. Everything that you need is going to be in the description box. Click the link, enter. Someone is going to win. It may be you. It may be you. It may be you. Maybe you. I'm really excited because you know what? I absolutely love giveaways. That's all I have for you guys on Maxinescorner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out these other videos and what? Stay healthy.